Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this unit, today we are going to start the new topic, Types of Movements Part 1. In that Part 1, we will discuss about the some movements of the body. It means the some types of the movements of the body we will discuss in the Part 1, just like flexion and extension. Flexion and extension are the movements that occur in the vertical plane. They are characterized by increasing and the decreasing the angles between two parts of the body around the joints. So now at first we will take the flexion. In the flexion, it bending part around a joint that the angle between two or between them decreases and the part come closer to each other. For example, for the bending part of upper limbs around the elbow joint. In this figure, we have to see or try to understand the movement of flexion. It is a structure of the body. These are the arms. These are the elbow joints. And when we have to just spread our arms and then we have to just try to close like that lower part of the elbow, then we have to go in this direction, then it is called the flexion movement, because in this movement the body part will come to the closer to each other, so it is called the flexion movement. Same like that, it is a bending of a joint so as bring together the parts it connected. Same like that, the part is just going to very closer to each other and angle of the body part is just decrease. Second one is just come extension. Extension means it is the strengthening of a joint, means extending the part or parts at the joint that led to increase of angle between the parts of move further parts. It refers to a movement that increase the angles between two body parts. Same like that, in this figure we will also try to understand. It is a body structure. These are the arms and it is the position of elbow. In that position elbow has bent and now we have to just spread or open the elbow towards there. So this type of the movement of elbow is called the flexion. In that case the angle of that part of the body has increased. So this is the just opposite direction of the flexion movement. It is called the extension movement. So through these pictures we are trying to understand the two body types of movements. Number one is the flexion, it is the flexion, and second one is the extension, it is the extension. In part 1, in further part we will discuss the more types of the body movements. Thank you.